Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel Al Mashadi 99 Inni Consult Private Limited. The topic of today's video is how you can obtain a Pakistani visa on your passport. Pakistani government offering two types of visas. One is online visa and one is ETA. So in this video we will try to explain both visas for you and how you can apply and what are advantage and disadvantage of both visas. So for that you have to watch this video completely so you can understand and apply this visa and you can successfully get this visa. Pakistani visa is so critical. It is not normal visa that you can apply. It is one of the hardest visa for applying and very critical and different visa. So first of all, we will explain online visa. Online visa, there are many categories like tourist visa, business visa, studies visa, religious visa, etc. etc. So today we only focus about tourist visa. Online visa contains 3 simple steps and very easy steps which you follow and you can get through this application and you will submit this application successfully. The first step, when you log on visa.nadra.gov.pk, there is no other website which can offer these visas. Only there Nadra is offering, and that is the real platform where you can apply this visa. So the first step is assessment step, where you can understand and you have to learn about the requirements and eligibility of the visa category you are applying for. So as I tell you, we are just focusing on tourist visa. In tourist visa there are 2 subcategories. One is normal tourism visa for seeing Pakistan and second is tourist visa for climbing mountains. Both have equal documents and both need equal eligibility. And second category after that is ETA, which we will talk later. So in second step, we will prepare all the documents and ensure that we have all the supporting documents, photographs and a credit or debit card for paying online fee. In third step, in the third and final step, we have to log in to the Nadra website. Then we will create a new account. Second, we will log in our account. Then we click on new application. When we click new application, there will be coming what category we are applying for. So as I told you, we are just focusing on tourist visa. You will just apply for tourist visa and then you have to upload all the supporting documents. What are the supporting documents? First of all, your scanned copy of your passport, all the visas which you before used to travel other countries. Number three is hotel booking, air ticket, and sufficient fund or your bank statement, your NOC from your employer or or the organization you are working in, or if you are doing business, then all the business documents. You will scan them in GPG file, only in GPG. There is no PDF. In GPG file, and you have to upload all the documents one by one. And specifically for photograph, you only can upload 350 KB file, which is GPG also. After all completing, there you will click pay online button. When you click that button, there will be fee coming for your regarding your country. So simply, Asian countries, normally the fee is 25 USD, which you have to pay online. For America, UK, for Shenzhen and for other European countries, it is 35 USD. For Gulf countries, it is only 8 USD. African countries it is only 20 USD. So it is different zonal lists of or zonal areas of countries where you have to pay the different fee for these visas. The processing time is 7 to 10 days, and the duration you can stay in Pakistan is 190 days, means 3 months. And it is extendable visas. You can extend it in Pakistan when you come here, and you have to pay the fee, and you have to pay all the and you have to give the all documents. You can stay in Pakistan for 6 months to 1 year, and you can easily extend those visas. So this is you, and we hope you clear about this type of visa. Now we are talking about ETA. ETA is a different type of visa which Pakistani government is offering. We call it here tourist visa in your box. If you click this visa, it is same like visa on arrival, but make sure that when you are applying this visa, you have to apply this visa before you're traveling, like at least 48 to 72 hours before you plan to arrive in Pakistan, or you're traveling into Pakistan, because you need to get approval for this visa, and this approval will given to you in 48 to 72 hours. It is not a simple visa that you just buy a ticket and you just fly in Pakistan and you get this visa on arrival. No. This is ETA, and ETA is different from visa on arrival. You have to apply this visa before you are traveling to Pakistan at least 48 or 72 hours. The fee is same. There is no different fee, but the processing time is different. Like only 72 hours you will granted visa, or you will be denied that visa, that you cannot travel to Pakistan. Same things you need supporting documents, you need credit card. For applying your visa, you have to create this account. The duration, if we talking about duration, the duration is only 1 month, 30 days. But few countries like Turkey, Malaysia and UAE, nationals can have multiple entry visa in Pakistan, but only for 30 days if they are applying on ETA. And it is not extendable. In few cases it is extendable, and it need a proper documentation, like your sponsor letter, or a sponsor letter from a recognized tour operator which have DTS license from government of Pakistan for group traveling to Pakistan. So we hope you understand those visas and the complication, advantage and disadvantages of visas. Like before, we tell you the online tourist visa is for 190 days and ETA is only for 30 days. Then if we talk about second advantage of this visa, online visa, is this visa is extendable and it is 190 days, and in this visa you can travel all over Pakistan. The second visa with ETA is only for 30 days and it is not extendable. Fee is same. And advantage of ETA is the processing time is only 48 to 72 hours. But on the other hand, the processing time of online visa is 7 to 10 working days. This is the categories of tourist visa. Hopefully you understand all the types of visa and how to apply. Now only in last we will tell you the extension about Pakistani visa, how you can extend the Pakistani visa. The extension is also online. You have to apply it online. Before you have to apply it in Ministry of Interior, but now from 2021 the rule is changed. All the candidates who want to extend the Pakistani visa, they have to apply online. And for that they also have credit card or debit card for paying this fee. This fee is $20, but this is only fee. This is fee for processing. This is not the fee of the visa granted. The granted visa is different for the time period you are applying, like 1 month, 3 months, or greater than 6 months, like 1 year, 2 year, multiple. It is different category and it is different, having different kind of fee and different kinds of documents. Extension, all the extension is through the government of Pakistan and the Pakistan secret agencies and through the Interior Ministry and as well as through the army. So hopefully you understand all the visa. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us by email or WhatsApp, or there is our website in description box, and you can click it there and you can ask any type of question anytime, and we will try to help you. Thank you very much, and stay tuned and watch our all the videos. Thank you very much.